FTSE 14 is 69 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Evaluation of FAT Brands Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session. Updated on December 23, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 18th of November 2020 gain 31.02%. The FAT Brands Incorporated stock price fell by minus 2.13% on the last day, Wednesday, 23rd of December 2020, from $7.51 to $7.35. And has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.13% from a day low at $7.14 to a day high of $7.51. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 18.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by minus 12,000 shares and in total, 37,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $271.38 thousand. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 28.08% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability hold a price between $8.31 and $10.39 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The FAT Brands Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $7.55. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $6.35. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 11, 2020, and so far it has fallen minus 6.84%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which is technical positive. One should, however, note that this stock may have low liquidity in periods, which increases the general risk. Support, risk and stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.27 and $5.90. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, FAT Brands Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $6.27. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.90 and $5.60. $6.27, $7.35, $7.70. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with periodic low trading volume, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 37 cents between high and low, or 5.13%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 7.07%. Our recommended stop loss, $6.96, minus 5.26%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 8 days ago. Is Fat Brands Incorporated stock a buy? Fat Brands Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold, accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.896. Predicted opening price for Fat Brands Incorporated of Thursday, December 24, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 24, 2020. Current price $7.33.